Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable receive updates on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just come here to receive updates. Then you click here in this sign here or this color. So then like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here receive updates. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable this sign. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.